The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is preparing for a January release next year, and although there is still time, leaks and speculations are already painting a clear picture of what to anticipate. A new report from a trustworthy Samsung-related source adds to the excitement. According to a source from Revegnus, the whole Galaxy S24 family will utilize LTPO M13 screens with an astonishing 2500 nits of peak brightness. This is a shift from the past, when only the Ultra versions featured LTPO panels capable of reaching such high brightness levels. The next generation M13 OLED display panel is a slimmer and more efficient replacement for the M12 screen featured in the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and the most recent iPhone 15 series. According to the report, the resolution and size of the Galaxy S24 and Plus Ultra screens will be the key differences. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to have a large 6.8-inch display. The Galaxy S24 Plus has a 6.65-inch display, whereas the Galaxy S24 has a 6.1-inch display. The excitement doesn't stop there, as sources indicate that the series will be powered by the highly anticipated Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This second Gen 4 NM processor is said to be limited to the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the United States, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is also expected to power the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. In other regions of the globe, the Exynos 2400 chipset will take the lead. Samsung is said to be downgrading the 10x zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to a 5x1 zoom, which might suggest that the flagship, which is expected to come early next year, would lack several capabilities seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Because Samsung's Galaxy Ultra range has been advertised with over-the-top hardware specifications, a reduction seems reasonable. By upgrading to a 5x telephoto camera, Apple has clearly closed the gap a bit. A 5x telephoto camera may be perplexing to the typical user. Samsung would be unable to market its flagship with double the zoom capabilities as its primary competitors, hence this decrease would be a mistake in my opinion. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.